Bonjour Laila, I hope you're feeling fine. This is a transcript, the summary of what we did today. And so you have received this. I just want to focus on j'aime, je n'aime pas, qu'est-ce que c'est? J'aime, I like, je n'aime pas, I don't like, qu'est-ce que c'est, what is it? So first of all, we use this dictionary. We're going to receive it. And we can see qu'est-ce que c'est, what is it? C'est une fleur. It's a flower. C'est une fleur. It's a flower. Quel jour sommes-nous aujourd'hui? What's the day today? Nous sommes le lundi 30 mars. Quelle heure est-il? Il est 11h03. Okay. Ici, il est 9h04 du matin. Like 9 o'clock and 4 minutes. Du matin means of the morning. So after, I played with est-ce que tu connais? Do you know? Okay. You can also say tu connais le rugby. It's like do you know? I forgot to put the transition here. Okay. Do you know rugby? Or do you know rugby? It's the same, huh? Est-ce que tu connais? That's gonna mean the same. So tu aimes le football américain? Do you like American football? Je n'aime pas le football américain. I don't like. Pourquoi? Why? Est-ce que tu connais le rugby? Est-ce que tu connais? So be careful. Qu'est-ce que is not the same as est-ce que. Qu'est-ce que is what? What is it? Est-ce que is often used in French. It's often expressed. So you have to recognize it. But it's like, is it that you know rugby? That doesn't make any sense in English. So we're going to just simplify. You can drop it and end up with tu connais le rugby? You know rugby? Okay. Ma tenue. My outfit is blue. Tenue is outfit. Or whatever you wear for, not a uniform, but an outfit for sport, a sport outfit, etc., etc. Le gardien de but, the goalkeeper, le but, the goal. Je n'aime pas ça, I don't like that, etc. So we saw j'aime, je n'aime pas. Je n'aime pas ça is like I don't like that. Le terrain, the field. So now, going to the visual dictionary, you can see sports is page 218. Let's see if it's going to correspond to the same. Okay. So I can ask, you can see on the transcript, est-ce que tu aimes le football américain? Est-ce que tu aimes, do you like American football? Okay, so it's here. Est-ce que tu aimes le hockey? Est-ce que tu aimes le football américain? Je n'aime pas, j'aime. Okay, so just remember, I'm just focusing on j'aime, je n'aime pas, est-ce que tu connais, etc. Tu connais le rugby? Est-ce que tu aimes le rugby? J'aime ou je n'aime pas le rugby. Est-ce que tu aimes le football? J'aime le football. Est-ce que tu aimes le hockey? J'aime le hockey ou de temps en temps. We saw this expression. Je n'aime pas le hockey, I don't like hockey. Or de temps en temps, time to time, we're going to see this expression after. Est-ce que tu aimes le cricket? Je n'aime pas le cricket, it's weird. Est-ce que tu aimes le basket? Oui, j'aime le basket. Est-ce que tu aimes le volley? Oui, j'aime le volley. Non, je n'aime pas. Est-ce que tu aimes le baseball? Non, je n'aime pas le baseball. Est-ce que tu aimes le tennis? Oui, j'aime le tennis. Est-ce que tu aimes le badminton? Oui, c'est très rapide, it's very fast. Est-ce que tu aimes le tennis de table? It's very fast as well. Est-ce que tu aimes le squash? Non, je n'aime pas le squash. Est-ce que tu aimes le racquetball? Racquetball is like tennis, but in a big room, and they have strange rules. They have world championships. I think they are like 20 spectators coming to check just like 10 guys playing against each other. So I don't know, this is really strange. Est-ce que tu aimes le golf? Non, je n'aime pas le golf. Est-ce que tu aimes l'athlétisme, track and field? Oui, non, it depends what they do. That is strange, that is strange. Est-ce que tu aimes la gymnastique? Oui, j'aime la gymnastique. Est-ce que tu aimes les sports de combat? So combat sports, but est-ce que tu aimes les arts martiaux? Let me just show you. Okay, les arts martiaux, martial arts. You can say c'est intéressant, c'est intéressant. Okay. I don't want to express too much. Est-ce que tu aimes la natation? Oui, j'aime la natation. Okay. Est-ce que tu aimes... ok, so j'aime, je n'aime pas. Qu'est-ce que c'est? What is it? Est-ce que tu aimes? Tu aimes. Ok, just keep in mind. Est-ce que et qu'est-ce que? It's not the same. So qu'est-ce que c'est? Oui, generally we're gonna answer c'est. It is. C'est une fleur. It's a flower. So, est-ce que tu as des questions? Do you have any questions? Non, pas de questions. I can also say non, je n'ai pas de questions. No, I don't have any questions. No, I don't have any questions. Okay. You have an excellent evening. I'll see you Thursday, same time, 11 for you and 9 a.m. for me. Au revoir Lila. Au revoir Laila. À bientôt. See you soon.